In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple tables in Google Sheets. Whether you're a data analyst or just someone trying to organize some information, understanding how to efficiently merge data from different tables can be a huge time saver. First, let's begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't done this already, simply go to Google Sheets in your browser and open a new spreadsheet. Now, we want to select a specific cell where we'll begin the process. Go ahead and click on any cell to select it. It's the starting point for our formula inputs. Once you've selected the cell, proceed to the cell labeled J2. Here, we will type an equal sign followed by A2, so it looks like this, XA2. This simple formula will effectively copy the content from cell A2 into J2. After typing, hit the Enter key. You'll notice that the data from A2 now appears in J2. To apply this action to the entire column, we'll take advantage of Google Sheets' autofill feature. Hover over the bottom right corner of J2, where you'll see a small blue square known as the fill handle. Click and drag the fill handle down to autofill the formula down the column. Next, click on cell K2. Here, you will want to type in another formula. Input equal sign followed by D2, so your formula should read equals D2. This step links the content from D2 to K2 and mirrors what you just did earlier. Again, press Enter to apply this formula. Use the autofill feature as before to populate this formula down the column to include all necessary rows. Moving on, stay in cell K2 for the next function. This time, type in the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP J2 G2 H7 2 false. In this formula, J2 is the lookup value, G2 H7 is the table array, 2 indicates which column to return data from, and false ensures we find an exact match. After inserting the formula, hit Enter again. And like previous steps, use autofill to apply the VLOOKUP formula down the column. This helpful function will pull data from specified rows based on the conditions you set. Now, click on cell M2. Here, we will perform a multiplication operation. Type in equal K2 plus L2, which multiplies the values in columns K and L. Hit Enter to see the result and use autofill to extend this operation across the needed range. Finally, select cell N2. In N2, we are going to apply another VLOOKUP, but with a little twist. Type in the formula VLOOKUP J2 G2 H7 F2 F7 3 false. This formula uses both curly braces for array notation and follows a similar logic to our previous VLOOKUP, but includes additional data. Finish by pressing Enter to execute the function. That's it. You've successfully combined tables using Google Sheets with a series of formulas and functions designed to streamline your data management needs. Be sure to utilize these steps whenever you need to merge data effectively.